Hi guys, this is Dr. Admire Joseph. I'm here today to show everybody, all my friends, all my subscribers, about the way I cook my food. You know, like for the people who want to lose his body fat, so that's what we should do. You see that fish? I clean the fish, and then I put an onion, I put the garlic, but mostly I put it like ginger, a lot of ginger in my food, always in my meat. Always have ginger, so that's why I eat. That means clean my body, all the body fats. If you want to lose it, that's the thing you should eat, like the fish with watermelon. I know that in summertime people been eat a lot the watermelon. Eat the watermelon and the fish for 1 week to see how that be going on your body. All your body fat will be gone. You see that fish? I'm gonna steam that fish. Okay, I'm gonna steam that fish. I'm gonna show you how I steam that fish. When that fish finish cook, you see that? You see that? That sauce, soy sauce. That's why I put it on it. I put all over the fish when it's done. When I finish cook it, and then that's the way I eat it. Let me show you how I put it. And that's the water. I boil the water. I let the water boil first, and before you put the fish in it. And the fish already here is already seasoned. When I put it here, now I'm gonna show you. I put it, I move that. Alright, that's one step. I put it that in there and the water. As I put it in the water, I take the second part. I put this thing here on it. I cover it, and then I take that, I put it, and then I cover it. All the steam gonna cook the fish. The fish not touching the water. Only the steam from the water and going on the plate and the cooking it, the fish. And then when it's cooked, I put it down. I put the sauce on it, and then for me to know when the fish cook, you see that stick? I take that stick, I poke it. When you poke it, it's gone through, and the fish, that means the fish is already cooked. But the fish, I put it here on the stove to cook at least 7 to 10 minutes. That's it. Not more longer than that. You know, that's when the fish is ready to eat. That the fish Dr. Admire eat every single day when I'm eating meat. That only fish. I don't eat rice or the stuff. And then with the fruit, my fruit is watermelon. It's good for your tummy. It's clean all your body. For the people who want to lose body fat, especially the men have big tummy and the women have big tummy, please do this. Check like my recipe, and then do it. You see, like by 1 week you will see the result. Okay, this is Dr. Admire Joseph again. Thank you. Subscribe to my video, and then share it with all your friends. Thank you, my friend. I love you. Dr. Admire. One love. Hi guys, this is Dr. Admire Joseph. I'm back again to taste the fish. It's already 10 minutes. You know, as I said before, after 10 minutes the fish will be cooked. So I'm going to taste it to see how it's cooked. Already 10 minutes already passed now. Ooh, it's really hot. As I say, that's why I eat. I don't eat other meat, nothing at all. You know, that is steam. See, you see, I poke it. You see, lodo. I just taste it. It's cooked. It's already cooked. You see, all it is cooked. That means the fish is already cooked. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the soy sauce on it. So I'm gonna remove that, and to put the soy sauce on it. So that's one. Okay, now I'm gonna do the other one. That's the other fish. I'm gonna put it back the same way again for the 10 minutes, and after the 10 minutes that's gonna be cooked. That's my food, like for the week. I'm gonna eat with watermelon. because if you want to lose your body fat, that's why you need to eat. So that the sauce, you put the sauce like this, you know what I mean? I love it. It tastes yummy, really yummy, guys. I hope we try it, man. It tastes really yummy, yummy. You know, yummy. Ooh. I know a lot of people do thing when they cook fish. They put a lot of stuff. No, I don't cook the same way with other people. That's my cook style. Because you see those onion, I'm gonna eat everything, even the garlic. The garlic, I'm gonna eat it. The ginger, I'm gonna eat it. It's gonna help me clean my body, all my system, all. You see all those fat people have here. You see, you have a clean tummy like me. That's why I eat. And with the watermelon, guys, try it. Try it out, guys. After that, I have another video I'm gonna show you later on. Is like I'm gonna talking about the other video. Okay, this one I'm done with it, guys. This is Dr. Admire Joseph. I love you guys. Okay, one love by Dr. Admire Joseph.